I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, and I hope you are all enjoying Maths with Mr. C. And today we are also proceeding with the alternative method of proving that this is a cyclic quad, taking over from what we proved in part 1. Now, if you still remember, we agreed that a cyclic quad, it is basically a four-sided shape with all the four vertices touching the circumference of the circle. So in this case, we need to prove that CEFD is a cyclic quadrilateral. There is our CEFD. But if you take note, we have FE parallel to AB. So we are going to make use of those parallel lines as well. So if you check our angle A and our angle C, they are opposite angles, they add up to 180. Similarly, we have got B and D, they add up to 180. Now, what is the most critical question to be asked here? How am I going to prove this if I can prove that either C1 plus F is equal to 180 degrees, as we have seen from part 1, or if we can prove that this angle C2 as an exterior angle will be equal to angle F. So today we are going to look at an alternative and check if we are able to prove that C2 will be equal to F. So our starting point will be on the given quadrilateral that we have, and we are going to consider C2 and A. So we can take note that if we add A plus C2, the result will be 180 degrees. This is confirmed. The opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. So your reason will be the opposite angles of a cyclic quad, they are supplementary. Then, this is our first statement. If you check on C2, it has to be connected to angle F. But coming back to the two parallel lines, when we have parallel lines, we are taken back to the fun as we said in part 1. If we connect angle A and angle F in the fun, that is the F, we will see that these two angles, they are forming co-interior angles. Now what happens with co-interior angles? If we add our angle at A to the angle that is F as co-interior, the total will also be 180 degrees. So we can write A plus F will be equal to 180 degrees. Why? The reason is co-interior angles, because of the parallel lines AB is parallel to FE. Now this is very interesting algebraically. We have got two statements. A plus C2 is equal to 180, and then A plus F is also equal to 180. So we have got two different statements here on the left hand side, but they are all equating to the same thing. So what does it mean? We can safely say, therefore, A plus C2 will be equal to A plus F, because they are all the same, they equate to 180. If you check, A is appearing on both sides. So what does it mean? This implies that our C2 is equal to angle F. Now what happens if C2 is equal to F? If this angle C2 is equal to F and CDFE is a quadrilateral, this automatically means that the quadrilateral in question is cyclic, and this has been proven by the converse of the exterior angle being equal to the opposite interior angle of a cyclic quad. So converse exterior angle of a cyclic quad. So you have to make a choice, either using set it be equal to x from part 1, or you can prove it by the exterior angle of a cyclic quad. I hope you have enjoyed this one. We will do more questions like this because they carry a lot of marks. Practice makes perfect. I hope you enjoy this one. Thank you.